So this image I'm going to ping in the description box link, and I'll be posting the link. You can download both image and Catia file from the description link in the YouTube. You get both Catia file and image file also. So let me go to the window, make vertical, make it small. So yeah, so before reading this, let me read this figure first. So before reading the figure, you should have a knowledge of how many geometries are there in this. Okay, then how you are going to see the geometries. So first what you need to check in this is geometries you need to check. Yeah. So once geometries, so basically we have a types of geometries like lines, arcs. If you close profile, then rectangle or square, then circle. So these are the four profiles which we have. So in these four profiles, now we will check here. So we have one circle or arc we have of 150 mm. So next is this line we have here. So this is second one. So this is first one and this is second one. Then third one is this again arc we have. Then fourth we have is line. So here it is a horizontal line and here it is an inclined line with an angle of 30 degree. So here inclined line we have. Then again fifth one is circle. So this circle is nothing but this only, which is the extension version of this circle. See, he has given from here to here, which is the extension version of this circle. Then here rest of the things are same. So here also one inclined line same. Then this is the circle. Then here he has given the diameter of this circle and this circle, which is of 200. So then later on in the final stage, we have an inside circle of 75. So let me draw single by single. First, what I'm going to do is, first I'll draw the biggest circle of 200 mm. So this is first my geometry. Then second, I'll draw this circle. Then I'll draw third, the line. Then fourth, I'll draw this line, inclined line. Yes. So one more thing you have to remember. So which are in the geometries, which are dependent and independent geometries. So what is independent geometries? You should know. Independent means which are not dependent on any other geometries. Example, this circle is an independent, which has no dependency, right? This also an independent geometry. If you see this arc, which is a dependent geometry. So why it is dependent geometry means without this circle and without this line, you cannot draw this. So which is completely depend on this one circle number 1 and this profile inclined line 4. If you don't have these two profiles, you're not able to draw this dependent geometry. Here also, this one is the dependent geometry. So now let me draw this. First, we'll draw the independent geometries, then we'll see. So let me erase this. So go to the windows, make it vertical. Then make it smaller one. So here go to the sketch, select the plane. So first I'm going to draw this circle 200. Then go to the dimensions and here give diameter 200 mm. Then next I'm going to draw this circle which is of 150 dia. So next, I'm going to draw this line. This line you can draw, or else you can draw this line also. So I'm going to draw this line first. Roughly, you can draw the line like this. So roughly I have drawn the line. So now this line is 30° with the horizontal axis. So with this H, right? Select this horizontal and this. Now double click on this, give 30°. Yeah. So next is that this line is tangent to this circle. So the circle is 150 mm. If you see this, so which is 150 dia, which is tangent with this. So I select this line, then I'll select this circle, then I'll right click and I make tangency. Yes. Okay. So now what I do here is, next I'll take here this line, I'll take this side. This line is from here, from the 150 circles to the outer. So I'll select here and I'll end here. Yes. So then later on I'll make mirror this and this to this side about this axis. Okay, so now we'll delete the rest of the things. So now we'll trim the rest of the things which is not required here. I'm going to trim it. So which is not necessary here is, first thing is that this extra line is not required. I'm going to trim it off. Then this side extra line is not required. I'm going to trim it off. Then this I'll trim it off. This also not required, right? So here I'm going to trim it off these things. Then I'll trim it off this. So next is this we don't want, right? I'll trim it off this also. Yeah. So this inside we don't want. I trimmed. This also I don't want trimmed. So this shape we got it now, right? So now what I need to do is, now here I need to take the dependent geometry. So which is 25. The 25 is between this circle, which is 200 mm circle, and this tangent line. We have a radius of 25 mm arc here, or you can give corner. So I'll go here, I'll select this. Yeah. So let me go with the corner, select this and select this. So here go to the radius and give 25 mm, enter. Yeah. So here also you do the same thing. First circle and second circle, here give 25 mm, enter. So see, we have got this profile clearly. Now the next is this inside circle, which is 75 mm. So I'll go to the center and I'll make a circle here, which has the diameter of 75. Now you can check this profile here, this profile. Yeah, here we have total two profiles, right? This profile we don't want, which is of 200 mm arc, right? So I don't want this. What I do is I'll keep it here. So I'll trim it off this, the upper circle. So now you can see the lower circle we have here. We have a lower circle. Then we have a line here. We have a line here and here, two lines. Then we have a circle of 200 mm. So here we have a circle of 200 mm. Yeah, here this circle we have a 200 mm. Then we have a 30 line, 30 angled degree line. Here we have that 30° line. Then here is a 150. This is 150. Then inside is 75. So this is 70. Now we check for the constant. So it is iso constant sketch. So in that way you can make the sketch.